Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, I am going to go over just about everything I know concerning backdrops. When I first started my YouTube channel, you guys absolutely loved my DIY backdrops using cardboard from the Dollar Tree and fabric and paper and whatever else I could find. And so now, as you can see, our backdrops have gotten a lot more extensive, a lot more over the top. And so that is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. I want to share with you guys resources and just tips and tricks and hacks that I have learned over the years regarding backdrops. So let's get started. The first thing I want to share with you guys is actually the over the table centerpiece that you see in this particular clip. This over the table centerpiece can be found on Amazon, and I will link it down below. And a lot of you guys have absolutely loved it. If you are interested, I'm going to do a mini course on how to create that over the table centerpiece. Very, very simple to do. I will leave the link down below if you're interested in signing up. The next item that I'm going to discuss is the amazing drapery that you see. You guys, the key to beautiful draping is the actual fabric that you use. And so recently they have come out with the 4-way stretch spandex. You can purchase it in ivory or in white. And the Amazon Live that I did cover the actual backdrop poles that we use along with the spandex drape. So you click on that Amazon Live link and you can shop everything in the video below. Now let's move on to the next item. So next up is this beautiful crescent shaped arch that you could use for weddings and events. It is from rosemorning.com. And you guys always ask about our backdrop poles. These are absolutely amazing, and I've also linked those in the Amazon description box as well. Just check that live down below, but this is what we use in order to really secure those heavy structures that you see, and I think you guys will be really happy with the heavier ones. They're great for holding up double drapery like you see here. They are also great for transforming an entire space. I think that those are absolutely needed if you're going to be draping an entire room. We use those a lot in that. And so you guys may remember this 50th birthday party transformation where we absolutely beautifully transformed an old gymnasium and we turned it into a spectacular ballroom using draping. And so that is just the impact of draping, you guys. Another question that I get asked a lot is, how many feet of draping do you use? Well, that determines the square footage of the building. A lot of draping comes in 10-foot sections, and so you divide that. If you have 100 square feet, 120 square feet, then you would be using 12 sections of draping. So you just kind of have to decide how big you want your area to be, and you can properly calculate it that way. I also found a calculation tool for draping, and if I can find that again, I will link it down below. But I just wanted you guys to see the overall impact of it and why it is so important. Again, the spandex draping is used here. Very, very simple draping. You see some uplighting, and that's about it, you guys. You don't really see that a lot of design going on in this drape because you really want the detail of the event to stand out. And so there are some elements that you see design, and that's just a different 10-foot section placed in front of the draping that's covering the entire room. But the draping kind of serves as a wall behind the marquee letters and the balloons and behind the guest area and the head table area, which you just see the one chair there in the back. But it totally transforms the space, and it's something that you can use over and over and over again. But you want to make sure that you're investing in a system that is a quality system up front. You can also do round draping. Again, you can find the link to that. I linked, I think, event direct decor in my Amazon Live, but you can go in and find these systems on Amazon as well. I like to order a lot of things on Amazon because number one, the return, you can return it for free. And number two, you really can protect yourself in terms of purchases. And so you'll see me link a lot of these tools as well. And that is how the round canopy draping turned out. That was actually a Luxe Academy class, and it turned out amazing. This is the backdrop wall, the greenery backdrop wall I've shared with you guys before. And we hung that sign using some fishing wire. Now they have magnetic hooks out that are wonderful for hanging those types of signs. So for those of you who asked me about hanging signs, definitely check them out in that Amazon Live. And that pipe and drape pole set is the exact set that holds up that greenery wall and flower walls and all of those heavier pieces that you use for backdrops. How many of you guys remember this astonishing transformation where we transformed a barn into a beautiful ballroom for a Tiffany/Pioneer Woman themed birthday party? Well, the beauty of that and this space was achieved with pipe and draping, whatever you want to call it. This was my father's 70th birthday, and we were able to totally transform this space with draping. That is why I absolutely love it. I also love balloons because I really believe that they make the biggest impact in a space, whether it's a full room or either just a focal point. It definitely makes a full impact in a space, and I think it's really essential, in your business to invest in some sort of draping. Maybe it's not enough for a full room, but at least something that will make a small impact in a space. Now, speaking of focal points, my girl Rachel made these arch backdrops that you see here. You can purchase these online as well, but I liked the wooden ones because we were able to paint them and customize them for each event. This was a boho chic baby shower that I did for my godson last summer. I was so proud because we did everything for this shower and it just turned out absolutely amazing. I came up with like this really cool drape design at the last minute, and I love the fact that we kind of draped off the space with the food and it just turned out great. You can also use draping outdoors to kind of add to the beauty and elegance of an event, along with different shape backdrops. I have also included those in that Amazon Live that I shared with you. You can use the hexagon shape, the circle backdrop shape. You can add flowers to these. You can add balloons to these. They really, really, really go a long, long way. And so I don't think people think about the impact of these. You can use them, of course, for a baby shower or birthday party or graduation party, but you can also use them for wedding ceremonies, adding florals and draping behind those. So they really can go a long way. I highly recommend getting them and adding them to your collection. You guys recently saw this video, and this is just, again, it's a testament into the impact of draping. A lot of you guys ask about like how to hang the chandeliers and things like that. We hang them with crossbars. We hang the crossbars with extenders that I also shared with you. And so a lot of things that you guys think is really difficult is really not difficult. It's just a matter of having the right tools. And so I finally included all those tools in one place for you guys to check out. So definitely check them out. I will leave that link again down below. If you're interested in taking Luxe Academy, I will also link that down below. I hope this video helped you guys. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Live with all of the tools that I mentioned in today's video. Thank you so much. I hope this really helped you guys. Let me know any questions you may have down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.